It's moving day and we have to go sign the lease in 30 minutes and I'm not ready at all. And my hair is all dirty. Oh, where's my hairband? Everything's packed away. I even need a hairband. Thanks. Quickly put my hair out. Can you turn on my coffee maker?
Like, we're going to have time to make a coffee, man. We gotta go. Like, come back and make a coffee.
Oh, I want a coffee before.
So we'll buy a coffee out there for another time.
The last time I'm gonna do my makeup in this bathroom. Thank you. I love you so much. Oh, I just broke that. Let's do something a bit different. Ooh. Oh my god, I have to go. Okay, I just have to do my mascara. Oh, it's like a little bit swollen on this side. Done. Now, we have to go sign the lease at 9. It's 8:45. Where are my shoes? Here's my shoes. Our house is a mess. Where's my keep cup? Where's my keep cup? There it is. Yes. We can go to my favorite coffee shop to get a coffee. Oh god, this is a mess.
Let's go, girl.
Here we go. We got the keys. Now we're off to go to our new apartment. At our new apartment, and we have a garage. So Michael's gonna open the garage for me so I can park in there. This garage is huge as well. I'm so excited about it. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. It's so big and dark. So scary. Ooh, wow. So exciting. How nice is this? Got my keys, got my coffee. Wow, the light in here is great. It's the first time we've ever had a garage. Can you open it? Wow. Just kidding, you guys can't see the empty apartment tour yet. I have an apartment tour coming as my next video. I'll link it here when it's up. Very exciting. All right, we're back in our apartment and this is overwhelming how much stuff we have. We've only lived in Sydney for 2.5 years and we came here with 2 suitcases each and we live in a fully furnished apartment, so I don't know how we've acquired so many things, but we have, like, this is all the stuff from my closet. So I have all my backpacks and some boxes. And then of course we have all the plants. This is all of Michael's stuff. That's more stuff. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna pack up these plants. And yeah, like a lot of this is Michael's materials for work, and like there's our bathroom stuff. We're not really fully prepared for this, but we have all weekend and we don't really have very much furniture. So that it's not really that difficult of a move, to be honest. It's just gonna be a lot of going up and down stairs because our new apartment's on the top floor and we're currently on the top floor of this building. So we're gonna have to go down 3 flights of stairs, up 3 flights of stairs. Neither apartment has a lift. So let's get into it. Look at this. This room's not, like, all my plants are still all over the place. The plants are kind of the last thing to be moved. Basically, we don't have enough boxes for everything. So I have these boxes of all my bathroom stuff. I'm just gonna take these because they have the lid. So I'm just gonna, let's just pack this stuff up really quick. Okay, you're good. The toothbrush, you can go in there, and then you can go in there. So I'm just gonna pack this up, like literally that easy. And I got them from work, but I'm just gonna pack these and then bring them to the new apartment and then unpack them and then bring them back and put my plants in here. I don't know how I'm gonna film this. Just imagine me picking this up and carrying it, okay? How do you eat an elephant?
I don't know.
You eat an elephant 1 bite at a time.
Thanks.
And that's how we're gonna do this move.
David Attenborough.
David Attenborough say that?
I'm hungry.
I'm pretty sure that's like a prophet. Pivot! Pivot! Oh, he's gonna kill me. I love you so much.
On 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Yay! My friend Crystal and her partner Jono just came to help us, to help Michael really move our mattress and our fridge into the new apartment, and thank God they came and helped us because the guys struggled and there's no way that I could have done that. Jono and Michael, you guys are the real MVPs here. Okay, we've moved, well, Michael's moved the big stuff. The mattress, we've moved part of the bed frame and the fridge. We still have all of these boxes, but I think we're just gonna have a little breakfast break and then we're gonna come back and load it up into the van and then move it. I'm already tired and I haven't really even moved anything. Oh yeah, I've only brought like a few light bags and some of the bed frame, so time for breakfast. We need to get a good like solid meal in us and then we'll feel a lot better about moving. I think I'm gonna get another coffee because it's moving day. Anything can happen, so let's go. We're just gonna bring some stuff down to the van and then we're gonna go for breakfast. This reminds me of my old traveling days. Okay. Did you just get this, Matt?
No, I remember when I was doing the doors. This is what I was sleeping on. Here you go.
You were sleeping on this? Let's load her up. This is all just like clothes and stuff.
We're out of here.
I don't want to slam your door, so.
Let's slam my doors.
I think this one goes in second.
No, they go first.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Lock and load. Cheers, baby. Oh God. Okay, I've brought 2 loads of things up. We're on the 3rd story, like I said. I've brought 2 loads of things up and I'm already exhausted. I guess this is what I get for working at a desk job. I'm excited about this. And I'm so happy that we don't have that much stuff. I'm so dead right now that I'm like shaking. I'm so tired, like, because in our old apartment, we were on the top floor, so we were carrying everything down 3 flights of stairs, and then we're on the top floor in this new apartment, so we're carrying everything up 3 flights of stairs. So I said before that I want to use these boxes with the lid here for my plans, so I brought all the bathroom stuff up, which was in the boxes before, and I'm just gonna unpack this stuff. I'm gonna unpack this stuff and then we'll know. I'm standing so funny. We're gonna unpack this stuff and then we'll know like what we need to buy. The first thing that I'm noticing is that these shelves are so, like our old shelves were like quite wide. Like I used to fit this used to be on my bathroom shelf, and this is definitely not gonna fit on this new shelf. So I fully don't know how I'm gonna arrange this shelving because it's just so weird. Like, look at this. There's no depth to it. I don't even know how we're gonna do this, but for now I'm just gonna start stacking stuff on these shelves. Organization will have to happen after we unpack everything and know what we really need to buy. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm gonna get to start online.
It's so humid.
That's all the things.
It's so hot. Go for round 2.
Round 2.
have to unpack all this stuff now. Okay, right now I'm gonna pack up my plants. So in my last video, I forgot your name, I'm so sorry, but someone said that they wanted to see how I packed up my plants. This is something that I had been worrying about because transporting plants can be pretty finicky, but in my next video you'll see why it was quite easy for this move. But basically my plan for the plants is I'm going to put the small ones in this box so I can put the lid on it, and then I'm going to put the bigger ones in the other box like this and just not put the lid on it so I can carry 2 boxes of plants at the same time. We'll see how this goes. So I'm just going to start putting them in here. The really small ones first, and I'm just gonna have to be really careful not to smash them. Just have to make sure that they don't sit in here for too long. I think they should be okay. If I was going for a big move, I would probably put like newspaper or something in between there, but because they're not really gonna sit in here for very long, I think they'll be okay. For my string of pearls, I'm so sorry I have to do this to you, my sweet darling plant. I'm just gonna wrap you up like that. And just stick you right in there. And then I'm just gonna be very, very gentle with them. I think it's impossible to expect nothing to be harmed. I'm sure, oh, that one's too tall for that. I'm sure some leaves will fall victim to the move, but I'm gonna do my best to keep them as safe as possible. You can go in here, and you're gonna have to just go like, I'm so sorry. I feel so bad for you guys. It has to happen. We're moving, everyone. We're moving, and we're all in this together. What else can I put in here? Maybe this one. Let's see. Maybe she can go. Ooh. Oh. Okay. So she's in there nice and tight. Who else can go? You're coming in this bunch. There you go. Get on top of your friends. You guys are all family, okay? And you're coming as well. Oh no, she's not gonna fit. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that like that. It's pretty sketchy, but I think it will be okay. Oh, there. That's pretty tight, but that's what I want. I want them to be like tightly in there so they can't move. You're coming with us, buddy. Oh, it's so close. Ooh, I'm just gonna push it down. Okay, so now this whole basket is full of plants, and just how I wanted it, they're not overflowing, so I could just put the lid on here. I'm so sorry, you guys. I love you so much. Please don't die on me. Okay, and now we have to move quickly, because I'm gonna put some more in this box, and then I'm gonna carry those ones on top of the other ones. This is very sketchy. I don't know if this is a good idea actually, but I'm just gonna go ahead with it. So I'll just be really careful, and I think with this one I just might not put as many because I really don't want them to get hurt. This one I'm not even gonna close the lid on it so they can be hanging over. I just want you guys to be safe. This one, yeah, this will work. Yeah, they're pretty smashed in there. And I could fit another small one on the side here, so who's coming? Maybe you. That's perfect. I made sure I watered them like quite a few days ago, so they're all pretty dry. They're all good to go. Okay, I made it to the new apartment, and I don't think any of them fell over. I heard some little rumbling, but I'm pretty sure they're all fully intact and fine. So, oh my God, there's so many stairs. Let's check the bottom box. They're all perfect. None of them fell. So I'm just gonna take them out, and oh my God, that one's gonna fall. This one got a bit twisted. I think they're good. I'm gonna have to go get the bookshelf so that I can put them somewhere, because right now I just have moving boxes. So I guess the bookshelf will be the next step. No one fell in here. I might just take them out. Oh my God. Okay, I'm most concerned about this one because this one's like this one's a freaking monster. Looks like some of the leaves got bent, but I don't think any of them actually broke. Oh my God, what a success. We have had a casualty There's one leaf that's fallen off of this guy, but that's actually the only breakage. That little leaf fell off ages ago. I've been trying to propagate that, that's why it's sitting like that. But that's really not bad, just one little leaf. And this guy's pretty sensitive, so I'm not surprised that he lost one. But yeah, I'm pretty freaking happy with this. Solid method. Okay, this is round 2. I think we have a casualty in here. Yeah, that one's fallen over. One of the tiny ones has fallen. Oh, actually the soil's so compact that it didn't really affect it. So that's good. I'll just put him to the side and then get the rest of the soil out. Okay. This has actually gone very well. Okay, this one was packed pretty tight. This guy went sideways, but he did not fall. He's all right. Okay, he's all right. This guy's all right. No leaves gone there. So altogether, we've only had one casualty. We've made it pretty far without any big deaths. So far, it's been really good. We've just packed everything in the car, and then we pack the plants last, and then we take them out first. So Michael just drives really, really carefully with them in his car. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.